Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In an upcoming workshop, we'll be working on the Gongbi portrait, and then what we'll start with is the classic Maiden in the Garden. And in this particular workshop, I will actually start off with teaching you how to actually create the underpainting of the maiden. And since it's a Gongbi painting, we actually can do a sketch. So besides Sumier supplies, I would like you to prepare for the workshop a sketchbook. It could be a sketchbook, it could be just some uh, unlined paper, such as the paper that you use for your printer. So have some paper ready and also have a pencil. It could be a mechanical or regular HB2 pencil, and then a eraser, and also an ultra fine marker. I'll show you how to actually create a sketch, what are the fundamentals of a maiden in a classic Sumier painting. And we'll talk about, for example, the facial features, how to do the hair, what kind of outfit and classic for a maiden that sit in the garden, and also work a little bit on the flow of lines and various accessory typical to the period. And on top of that, we will actually create various sketches of maiden. It could be seated, it could be standing, and also could be, for example, like chasing butterfly in the garden, or just nicely seated. And then, of course, for our demo piece, we will create a maiden sitting in a garden, and we'll also work on the coloring as well. So this is a pretty busy workshop, but then I want you to be able to draw a maiden in the garden, not only from the trace and sketch that I did, but also learn the steps of how to create the maiden so you can create your own maiden in the garden. So besides Sumier supplies, also make sure you have pencil, markers, eraser, and some unlined paper. So hope to see you in this upcoming workshop doing maiden in the garden in the Gongbi style. Thank you.